Hello, this is Colin Brazendale, and this is an update on my affiliate freedom funnel that I got for free from Rachel about 2 weeks ago. About 4 weeks or 5 weeks ago, I decided I wanted to create a new online business with affiliate marketing, and I discovered ClickFunnels, and I discovered Frank and his funnels. And then 2 weeks later, after joining, I discovered Rachel, and I just found that her funnels was more easier to understand and better performing funnel. I tested the two funnels, and my conversion is much better on her funnels. And what gave me another reason why I wanted to promote her funnel was is that she mentioned in one of her videos that this is her best producing ClickFunnels funnel. So I thought this will be my best opportunity to get started with ClickFunnels and making money as an affiliate with affiliate marketing. So how it all starts is you get this landing page, and you will get exactly all of this on your own domain or own page. You can buy your own domain, or you can use the domain that the ClickFunnels gives you. And then as soon as you click on you promote this landing page, and then as soon as someone clicks on the green button, they add their details, and then you've got a new lead. As soon as they click confirm, they'll go to the landing page, which is this one, and it will say congratulations on getting your free affiliate freedom funnel. Rachel gives these free funnels away after she built it, because ClickFunnels on its own is very difficult to promote. But if you've got a system, then it's much easier to promote, and the people that join you will also have the same system to copy what you are doing. So the first step is to set this up, and Rachel, I'll just give you, there she is. She's an ex-webmaster, and she built these funnels for clients, and then she decided to be affiliate herself and just go full out for being affiliate. She's one of the top producers at ClickFunnels. I think she's got more than 300 referrals so far. And so she walks you through the whole process of setting it up. So the first thing you need to do is to just watch this video, read through the information here. You can join a Facebook group, and then she's got a Facebook Messenger. That's a little bit advanced, so I didn't change my links here. But then the second or the first part is where she shows you how to set up this whole website, and then you'll change over all the links to your links, your referral links. So there's more than just ClickFunnels where you can make money. But obviously the first step is to join the 2-week free trial of ClickFunnels. After you've opened up your account, then you keep the account open, and then you'll click on this link here, and that will automatically take you to the ClickFunnels page, and it will load that page there. And this is your funnel with everything. There's 5 steps in here, all the pages, everything is in here. And then when you edit it, you'll also go in here to make it your own. But then after you've done that, then you must get a domain. Then you link the two, but you don't have to do that. It will help you. You can customize your domain name. Otherwise, you'll have to use a ClickFunnels domain that they give you. Then you connect your domain to ClickFunnels. Then you switch out the ClickFunnels affiliate links. Like I said, all these links, you change them over to your links. And then you set up your email. So what's nice about all of this, if you're new to internet marketing, you'll learn a lot more about how to because the stuff that you'll learn here, you'll need in any online marketing or online business. You'll learn to set up a landing page, how to grow your email list, sending automated emails. In this case, you'll use Aweber. Then doing the tech needed to be visible online, tracking your traffic, and much more. So yeah, all of that you'll learn. This is a great base to get started in affiliate marketing online. And Rachel has given all of this for us for free. So yes, you'll get your email for your domain here. Then you'll set up your Aweber, and then you'll get the emails. All these emails you loaded onto your Aweber, and she will show you how to make a sequence. So automated emails will go out to the people that has given their name and email to you. And the reason why also using Aweber is that if you decide not to continue with ClickFunnels, you will at least keep those names forever until they unsubscribe. But you're busy building on your online business and your online list that way. And then the third part is how to send traffic, because after everything is set up, then it will take you say an hour or two to set everything up. And then all you need to do is to send traffic. I've used Dashing Ad Space to get traffic, but so far it's been very slow. I get about 2 to 4 opt-ins per day, and then it costs me about $10 to $20 to get that traffic. So I'm still testing. I don't know if that is the best. My next option is solo ads. So here I've got a Udemy solo ad account, and I'll buy traffic. So I'm going to see how many opt-ins I get when I use say $20 on Udemy instead of $20 in Dashing Ad Space. So so in this video, she explains how she uses the solo ads. Initially, I thought solo ads going to be too expensive. That's why I haven't used it yet and used my Dashing Ad Space traffic, because I've got a lot of credits or a CME in Dashing Ad Space. So I'm using that to buy traffic. But I think I think you've got to test. You've got to test different things. And what I've also noticed is that it's going to take a while to get people in your funnel, and also to build up your email list and to get your first sale. I've been in for, say, 5 weeks now. I've got about 150 people in my funnel, but I've got no sales so far. But I've also noticed that other marketers said that it's going to take about 300 people in your funnel before you see results. And most people only start seeing results in month 3, and I'm in just over 1 month now. So I think we've got to stick to it and just keep on sending traffic until we got that first sale. I think that will be the most difficult part of this whole affiliate program, is to get that first sale. And then your second and third, as soon as you're there, then you at break even, and then you start going into profit. But most people, like she says here, not everyone gets success with the system because they quit halfway or stop sending traffic. So that is why most people are unsuccessful with this program. This program does work because she's living proof that it does work. So I'm positive that I must just keep on or keep at it. It's going to cost more money than I thought, because obviously if it's going to take 3 months to get started, you're going to pay for your ClickFunnels for 3 months, and you're going to spend, I think, another $100 to $300 on traffic. There are free traffic options like YouTube. So I'm also using YouTube to get traffic to my landing page. So if you don't have money for traffic, then I highly recommend creating videos. So if I've got good traction on the videos, and just you can use my titles as well, or look at what the other affiliates are using as titles, because that's the most important part, to get your video ranked. So yeah, so that's my update on our free affiliate freedom funnel, and yeah, I'll try and make updates regularly on the affiliate freedom funnel so that you can see my progress, and yeah, to see if I'm successful as well. So yes, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to follow my progress with affiliate marketing online in South Africa, then please subscribe to my channel, and then you'll get updates or notifications when I upload a new video on affiliate freedom funnel. So yes, thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.